Hey guys, I'm getting ready to leave for my third major trek tomorrow. I'm doing the GR5, starting in Chamonix and finishing in Modane. And just wanted to show everybody what I'm packing up. I think I've way overpacked, but I think I'm okay. In the past I used, my trail name is Little Pack, so in the past I used this little pack here. Now I've upgraded, it's still a little pack, 28 liter, and so this is what I'll be using. So just to show you what I'm bringing here, you can come in a little bit. I find these Eagle Creek bags work really well. They're very light and they're somewhat water resistant, but they last a lifetime. So in this pack I have my shoes, my socks and everything necessary for my shoes. I have my toiletries, and yes, I bring facial lotion, hairspray, lipstick, and foundation, but little, like small little things. And I use small packets for deodorant. I find that works well, and then I have facial cleansers. And so I have that. I have my adapters, sunglasses, a little bit of shampoo, pair of hiking pants and short sleeve shirt, all in this pack. Here, this pack has my rain gear, have a raincoat and rain pants. This has another pair of like yoga type hiking pants, a couple wool pullovers, and something to sleep in. This has my sleep sack in it, rain poncho. This is a bit heavy, but it's really worth it. This charger charges my phone 3 times and will be pretty remote, so we won't have a lot of electricity. And I think that's all that's in there. And then I just have some variety of snacks, but we'll never really be far from food, so I'm not bringing a whole lot. This pack has, this is what I'll use on the airplane. This just has a hodgepodge of stuff. I printed out my maps here, so I don't have to buy them when I get there. And yeah, I think that's about it. My hiking sticks, I'm only 5'2", so I use the Black Diamond Junior Strike, and I put rubber tips on the bottom. And then we'll start packing. I already have my bladder in here. It's empty right now, but I use the platypus because it has a big wide lip, which I really like. And so now I'm going to just try it first and see how it goes. These cubes are great because you can kind of just place them wherever you want. I like this shaped one here. I go to the Eagle Creek website, and sometimes they have some really nice coupons. At this point now it's just like a little puzzle. Okay, so I got all my bags in here, and actually there's a lot of room to spare, and I even put my hiking boots in there because I'm wearing tennis shoes on the plane tomorrow. So normally I will not have those big hiking shoes in here. So let's zip that up there. Oh, and I almost forgot, never leave home without my St. Christopher medal. Put that right in there. And snap go right in there. And this is for the airplane, so I'll just hook that right there. I love these Deuter packs. There we go. And so then I have my sticks. My sticks tomorrow, I'll put them right on the side. My water bottle.